When it comes to home improvement, few projects provide as many immediate and long-term benefits as energy-efficient window replacement. In West Jordan, Utah, homeowners face specific challenges, including fluctuating temperatures, dry summers, and snowy winters. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can dramatically improve your home's comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance property value. Here's why this investment makes sense for your home. Lower energy bills and increased efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to replace old windows with energy-efficient models is to lower energy bills. Traditional windows, especially single-pane or older double-pane units, often allow significant amounts of heat to escape during the winter and enter during the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy consumption and costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies such as low emissivity, low E glass, multiple panes, gas fills, and improved frames. These features act as a barrier to heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. For West Jordan homeowners, this translates to a more stable indoor temperature year-round and noticeable savings on utility bills. Enhanced comfort and reduced noise. Drafty windows can make your home uncomfortable, leading to chilly indoor temperatures during Utah's cold winters and excessively warm rooms during the summer months. Energy-efficient windows provide better insulation, significantly reducing drafts and hot spots. This makes every room in your home more comfortable regardless of the season. Moreover, energy-efficient windows often come with superior noise reduction capabilities. If your West Jordan home is near busy roads, parks, or other noisy areas, upgraded windows can block out much of the unwanted sound, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Eco-friendly and environmentally conscious living. Investing in energy-efficient windows contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. By reducing the energy your home consumes, you decrease your overall carbon footprint. Since your HVAC system doesn't need to run as often or as intensively, you reduce greenhouse gas emissions associated with power generation. For homeowners who are committed to protecting the environment and conserving resources, energy-efficient windows represent a simple yet impactful step in the right direction. Choosing energy-efficient replacements not only benefits your home but also plays a role in creating a greener planet. Increased home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient window replacement is not only practical but also boosts your home's market value. Many prospective buyers prioritize energy efficiency when searching for a new home, making properties with updated windows more attractive. If you plan to sell your West Jordan home in the future, energy-efficient windows can help you stand out in the market and potentially command a higher price. Beyond the financial benefits, new windows also improve the curb appeal of your home. With a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes available, you can find energy-efficient windows that match your home's aesthetic, enhancing both its interior and exterior appearance. Protection from UV damage. The sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays can be harmful to your home's interior. Prolonged exposure can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Many energy-efficient windows are equipped with UV-blocking coatings that significantly reduce the penetration of these harmful rays. By replacing your windows, you not only protect the contents of your home but also create a more pleasant and glare-free indoor environment. Low maintenance requirements. Many energy-efficient window models come with features that reduce the need for frequent maintenance. For example, some windows have protective coatings that minimize dirt buildup or frames that resist warping and peeling. This means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying the benefits of your upgraded home. Rebates and incentives. In many cases, installing energy-efficient windows can make you eligible for various rebates or tax incentives. Local utility companies or government programs may offer financial incentives to encourage energy-saving home improvements. These incentives can help offset the initial cost of window replacement, making it an even more attractive investment for West Jordan homeowners. Conclusion: upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart choice for homeowners in West Jordan. The benefits extend beyond lower energy bills and improved comfort, contributing to a more sustainable and valuable home. If you're considering a home improvement project that delivers long-term results, energy-efficient window replacement deserves a top spot on your list. By making this investment, you're not just improving your home, you're enhancing your quality of life.